Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making honey buttermilk cornbread. Delicious comfort food. Let's get started. We have 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. So our wet ingredients should sit out at room temperature. So I have 2 large eggs that have been sitting out. I have softened butter, which is about 1/4 cup. I have 1/4 cup of oil. And I have 1 cup to 1/4 cup of buttermilk. I like to pour my milk in a little bit at a time just to make sure I do get the right consistency. The name of this song is Empty Briefcase by Victor Lumberg. Okay, this looks like the right consistency. Let's prepare our pan. I have an iron cast skillet that I love to use. It makes the greatest cornbread. We will knock the pan on the counter to get rid of any bubbles that might be there. I'm going to place this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. And so now I'm going to prepare my honey and butter glaze. It's going to be about a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of honey. Now here you get to use your own discretion. You can have more honey than butter, or you can have more butter than honey. I like to go equal, 1 tablespoon each. And I will zap this in the microwave oven for about 15 seconds just to make sure it is melted. Here is our beautiful cornbread. I'm going to slather it with the butter and honey. This cornbread is beautiful. It tastes great. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Please subscribe. Share this with a friend, a family member, and enjoy. This honey buttermilk cornbread will go so good with my crockpot pinto bean soup. The link for the bean soup is in the description box below.